Hello students, in this video I am discussing about significance of pi terms. Okay, so here the various pi terms have the very significant role in turbo machines. Okay, so the first one is a capacity coefficient or a flow coefficient or a specific capacity and speed ratio. Okay, so and the second one is head coefficient, and the third one is the power coefficient, and the fourth one is specific speed. Okay, so in that specific speed, the first one is the specific speed of a turbine and the specific speed of a pump. Okay, so now we are discussing about capacity coefficient or specific capacity and speed ratio. Okay, so uh, the term pi 1 is equals to q divided by nd cube is a capacity coefficient or a flow coefficient or a specific capacity, which signifies the volume flow rate of the fluid through a turbo machine of the unit diameter of a running operating at a unit speed. Okay, so the specific capacity is a constant for a similar rotors. Hence, for the fan or a pump of a certain diameter running at a various speeds, the discharge is proportional to the speed. This is the first of a fan law. Okay, so the specific capacity is related to another quantity called speed ratio, and it is obtained as follows. Okay, that is pi 1 is equals to q divided by nd cube is proportional to d square into v divided by nd cube, which is proportional to v divided by nd. Okay, so it is because q is equals to, that is the discharge, is equals to area into velocity, right? So area is pi d square divided by 4 into velocity. So the pi 1 you will get v divided by u, which is equals to 1 divided by pi. Okay, so here the pi is called as a speed ratio. Okay, so which is equals to u by v. So u is the tangential velocity of a runner and v is a theoretical jet velocity of the fluid. Okay, this is given by, for a given machine, the speed ratio is fixed. Okay, this is about the speed ratio. And next we move on to head coefficient. Okay, so the term pi 2, that is equals to pi 2 is equals to gh divided by n square into d square, is called as a head coefficient or a specific head. Okay, that is pi 2 is equals to gh divided by n square d square, which is equals to gh into u square. So this is because u is proportional to n into d. Okay, so or in terms of head in the dimensionless form is pi 2 is equals to h divided by u square upon g, which is equals to psi. Okay, it represents the ratio of kinetic energy of the fluid, that is v proportional to square root of h under the head h. Okay, head h to the kinetic energy of the fluid running at a tangential speed of the rotor. Okay, so the head coefficient is a constant for a similar impellers. For a machine of given impeller diameter, the head varies directly uh, as a square of the tangential speed of the rotor or impeller. Uh, this is called as a second of the fan laws. Okay, so next we move on to power coefficient. Okay, so the term pi 3, that is equals to p divided by rho into n cube into d raised to 5, is called the power coefficient or a specific power. It represents the relation between power, fluid density, speed and the wheel diameter for a given machine. The power is directly proportional to the cube of the speed of the runner or a rotor, is called as the third fan law. Okay, so next we move on to specific speed. Okay, that is it is a speed. Specific speed is a dimensionless term, that is ohm. Okay, in which the, and it is a parameter of the greatest importance in the incompressible flow machines. The specific speed is uh, only the parameter that does not contain the linear dimension of the runner. Hence it is operating under the same conditions of the flow and the head. Okay, all geometrically similar machines have the same specific speed irrespective of their sizes. Okay, so the specific speed can be expressed in terms of discharge q. Okay, for the power absorbing machine or a power p for the power generating machine as follows. Okay, specific speed of a pump. Okay, so the equation of the specific speed of the pump is can be obtained by manipulating in the flow coefficient and the head coefficient. So as to cancel of linear dimension of a rotor or a impeller, so let pi phi is equals to pi 1 raised to 1 by 2 divided by pi 2 raised to 3 by 4, which is equals to q divided by pi 1 term is nd cube divided by q, right? So which is equals to q divided q raised to 1 by 2 divided by n d cube whole raised to 1 by 2 into, and the pi 2 term is d square into n square whole raised to 3 by 4 divided by gh raised to 3 by 4, right? So you will get pi phi is equals to n into q raised to 1 by 2 divided by gh whole raised to 3 by 4. Okay, so which is equals to n into q raised to 1 by 2 divided by gh raised to 3 by 4 is a dimensionless parameter. This can also be expressed as ns is equals to n into q raised to 1 by 2 divided by h raised to 3 by 4. Okay, so it is not a dimensionless and it has a dimension of n either in radians per second or rpm. Okay, so this is the equation of a specific speed of a pump. This can be defined as the speed of geometrically similar machines discharging 1 meter cube per second of water under a head of 1 meter. Okay, this is about specific speed of a pump. Thank you.